So hi guys, today we're gonna do a DIY of a rain cave / shelter.
Okay, so our project today is we're gonna turn this thing into an umbrella house so we can sit in it in the rain.
Can we jump in the puddles later?
Yes, of course we can. So the plan is to put this plastic on this chair and make a giant umbrella. We're gonna open this piece and open this and open this. So we've covered it. Now all we have to do is open the two holes. So basically I'm putting holes in the plastic so we can get the horns out. So this is a completely, not complete. Well, we don't know yet. Cool?
Yeah. No water drops on.
Tell you what's so cool?
Yeah.
It's 100% free.
Free?
Yeah.
Well, what do you mean free?
We're not sure if we have any shout outs for today because we recently just posted the video.
Okay. But I'm kind of enjoying my hut with my little Valentine's girl. To everybody, happy Valentine.
Tracy? Yeah, happy Valentine. But this will be posted tomorrow, right?
I'll try
It'll be
to.
posted tomorrow. We'll try today.
We'll try for today, but
It probably will be
post it tomorrow.
late.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll try because we have to. He has to edit. Not me.
Oh wait, well, I'm editing things. No, you're editing things now.
Oh wait, can I show you something? You're editing things.
All right, I guess so.
Let me see if I'm a good blogger. It can see me. If you wonder why we're wearing raincoats, it's because it's raining.
It's raining and it's very, very, very nice here. Yalla, bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. We need to see if there's.
See you today then.
Yeah.